Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Jimpy Stew.
Jimpy Stew.
On today's episode, we have a very simple recipe that'll create a fun and delicious fish dog. Fish dog is a combination of fish and dogs. Now you're probably asking me, how do you combine fish and dog? Very simple.
Mayonnaise.
Hot dog buns serve as a good bread to put around
Fishdog.
There we go, folks. We're almost done. I mean, look at this already. It can already fit. Look at that. There we go. Now we're getting there. I'm just gonna cut this open. Oh. Well, that was a tragedy. But as you can see here, the fish dog looks excellent.
Jimpy Stew.